Hey, Elliot from LiveWebinar here, and welcome to another tutorial video on how to go live on social media using LiveWebinar. If you find these videos helpful or enjoy these videos, help us out by tapping on the like button, subscribe, and turn on those bell notifications. In this tutorial, I'll be demonstrating how to broadcast to YouTube, but the other social media channels that are available will follow a similar procedure. The Broadcaster social media feature is available as an add-on which can be purchased with every paid account in LiveWebinar. Once you have purchased the add-on, you will have access to this option in your LiveWebinar room. Now, on to the tutorial. Firstly, you're going to want to enter your LiveWebinar room. Then go to the top left and click on Tools. Then hover over Broadcast to and then click Stream to YouTube. You will be prompted with the URL and the stream name/key. You want to navigate to your YouTube Studio dashboard, and you can either click on the Create icon up here and click on Go Live, or you can click on the Go Live icon here. You will then be directed to the YouTube Studio stream. Here you can select and change the title, the category, and the privacy, and edit more in the description by clicking this icon here. You will need to connect the streaming software with LiveWebinar. So to do that, you'll just need to go down to the stream key and copy the stream key from here. Be sure to never reveal your unique stream key. Then go back to your LiveWebinar room and paste the stream key in here. You will then click on the Start Streaming option, and now your LiveWebinar room will be streaming to YouTube. Go back to the YouTube Studio tab and check if it is all working. Hopefully you'll have an excellent connection. Here you'll be able to change the stream settings, have a look at the analytics, and then check your stream health. You can then go back to your LiveWebinar room, close the streaming pop-up, and you can always refer back to the streaming pop-up by clicking on the icon at the top there, flashing. And now your room is broadcast to YouTube. And there you go. A simple method to broadcast your webinar room directly to YouTube. Stick around if you'd like to check out more tutorials here or deep dive our webinar playlist over here. Catch you in the next one.